I spent so many years working, studying, attending functions, carrying responsibilities that I didn't realize how quickly time was passing. I really didn't. I missed school events, ordinary moments, conversations, and parts of my children upbringing that I can never get back. At that time, I truly believed I was doing the right thing by providing, building security, and always pushing forward. But now, with my sons living overseas, I feel the distance even more deeply. And sometimes I wish I had understood earlier that success means very little if it costs you the moments that matter most. This is one of the reasons I speak so openly about this, about freedom and flexibility and creating a life with more balance and persistence. Don't wait until the years have gone and you realize that you gave your best energy to things that didn't matter the most. So it's time now to really think about how important is having success at work or a title and your life with memories and so on. If this resonates with you and you're feeling corporate fatigue, just message me, yes, and we can have a free one-on-one and I can send you my free guide.